Events took place after Jallianwala Bagh massacre. General Dyer, who was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre, declared later that his object was to produce a moral effect, to create in the minds of satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe. Events took place after the massacre. First, crowds took to the streets in many North Indian towns. Second, there were strikes, clashes with the police, and attacks on government buildings. Third event took place. The government used brutal repressive measures to curb the satyagraha. Fourth, satyagrahis were humiliated and terrorized. Fifth, they were forced to rub their noses on the ground, crawl on the streets, and do salam to all Sahib. Sixth, people were flogged and villages around Gujranwal in Punjab, now in Pakistan, were bombed. Seeing violence spread, गांधी जी called off the movement. गांधी जी ने ये नोटिस किया कि लोग अभी सत्याग्रह, एक्चुअली सत्याग्रह का प्रिंसिपल क्या है, उन्होंने जो नॉन वायलेंस पे जोर दिया था उसे लोग अच्छी तरह से समझ नहीं रहे हैं. इसलिए गांधी जी को बहुत दुख पहुंचा और उन्होंने मूवमेंट को बीच में ही विड्रॉ कर दिया. Mahatma Gandhi actually wanted to launch a more broad-based movement in India because the Rowlatt Satyagraha was limited mostly to cities and towns. It could not take the shape of mass movement. He knew that a widespread movement could not be organized without Hindu-Muslim unity. Therefore, he took the advantage of the Khilafat issue. Khilafat issue was related to the Emperor of Ottoman Turkey. The First World War ended with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey, and there were a rumor that a harsh peace treaty was going to be imposed on the Ottoman Emperor, the spiritual head of the Islamic world. He was also known as Khalifa. To defend the Khalifa's temporal power, a Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay in March 1919. It was formed by two brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Gandhiji started discussing with them about the possibility of united mass action on the issue. The Calcutta session of the Congress, which was held in September 1920, Gandhiji convinced other leaders of the need to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat as well as Swaraj. Actually, Gandhiji wanted a non-cooperation movement, as he wrote in his book Hind Swaraj in 1919 that the British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians. If Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year and Swaraj would come. Thank you.